How to log in Emirates NBD Mobile Banking app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Emirates NBD Mobile Banking app. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Emirates NBD Mobile Banking app, all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure that you have downloaded the Emirates NBD application from your respective Play Store or your App Store. So if you're using on iPhone, open up your Apple App Store. If you're using on Android, open up your Google Play Store. And then once you've downloaded the app, just go ahead and then open it up, and then we're going to move on to the login process. Now once the application has been loaded up, you'll basically see this type of interface. And now if you've not already enrolled for mobile banking though, you can just tap on the ready button. But if you have already enrolled and now you only want to log in, you can tap on I'm already a customer, and then at the very top you'll find the option called secure login. Just tap on the secure login button, and once you tap on secure login, all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to enter your Emirates NBD username. And then once you enter your Emirates NBD username over here, you might want to go ahead and then also make sure to enter your password. And then once you enter your password of your account, you can just tap on the secure login. If your details are correct, you'll be able to successfully log in. And that's all it takes to log into Emirates NBD mobile banking app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.